Love cooking up stir-fries, noodles, or sizzling dishes at home? Then you'll want to check out the 5 best electric woks on Amazon, perfect for quick, tasty meals with that authentic wok flavor. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned chef, these electric woks will level up your cooking game. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell emoji, so you never miss our latest kitchen gear reviews and cooking tips. At number 1 we have Aroma Housewares AEW-306 Electric Wok. Our wok pan comes with everything you need to cook authentic Asian and modern dishes. Each pack comes with an AEW-306 wok, high dome tempered glass lid, extra long chopsticks to help you cook along with a steaming rack and a tempura rack. Power consumption, 120 volts 60 Hz 1500 watts. This large 5-quart capacity wok gives you all the space you need to make anything you have in mind. It's made to handle high temperatures, heat up rapidly and maintain the heat so you can make cooking delicious meals faster and easier. Our stir-fry pan is made using durable and heavy-duty cast aluminum that can handle daily use in the long run, which coupled with the non-stick coating provides you with a simple way to cook even the messiest of dishes without worrying about lengthy cleanups. The wok with lid is designed with a temperature probe that allows you to maintain a consistent temperature for even cooking. The lid is designed with a steam vent that allows you to control the moisture when cooking or steaming, giving you the freedom to make stir-fry, soups, fajitas, fried tempura, and much more. At number 2 we have Presto 5900-1500 watt stainless steel electric wok. Healthy stir-fry cooking. Sears ingredients fast in a small amount of oil, preserving nutrients, colors, flavors, and textures. Easy to use electric wok with a durable stainless steel body. 1500 watts heating element, aluminum clad base for fast, even heating. Side loop handles, tempered glass cover with stainless steel rim and handle. Handled wooden spatula included, dishwasher safe wok and lid. Tempered glass cover with stainless steel rim and handle. Fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. The quick and easy way to prepare sizzling stir-fry meals. Healthy stir-fry cooking. Sears ingredients in just a small amount of oil to preserve nutrients as well as fresh colors, flavors, and textures. At number 3 we have Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok. Select from the 6 convenient preset temperature settings or fine-tune your own temperature from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. You can also add or deduct cooking time at any time. Mosaic is lightweight and portable. It performs flawlessly in RVs, dorms, campsites, and smaller apartments. Its 3 wattage settings of 600, 900 and 1500 watts are designed to work well anywhere even when the power is limited. The robust design of Mosaic and its patented insulation technology brings the induction heating coils closer to the wok than the competition for faster and even heating, ensuring no hot or cold spots for optimal cooking experience. Even if you forget, Mosaic will shut off automatically when the set cook time is completed. When the wok is removed from the cooktop, Mosaic will not start. There are no hot coils or open flames, reducing the risk of burns and fire. Mosaic heats the wok directly, transferring 85%-90% of its electromagnetic energy to heat energy. At number 4 we have Elite Gourmet Non-Stick Electric Skillet. Marbleized non-stick is more durable than non-stick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss, quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. Lock in flavors and moisture with the clear, tempered glass lid. Large 10.5 fry pan diameter lets you fry chicken for the whole family, and an integrated easy pour spout lets you drain off excess juices. Simplify mealtime with our conveniently sized electric fry pan skillet. Enjoy fluffy pancakes, gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches and flavorful stir-fried veggies. Dishwasher safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. At number 5 we have Oster DiamondForce Electric Wok. Oster's longest-lasting non-stick, Oster electric wok cooking surface is reinforced and infused with diamond particles that form a structural matrix, creating a stronger coating for superior non-stick performance over time. It's Oster's longest-lasting non-stick yet. Tempered glass lid, electric wok pan includes top rack, dishwasher-safe tempered glass lid with a cool touch knob for safely checking food. Cool touch handles on the side of the wok make it easy to carry around the kitchen. Large capacity, 4.7 quart capacity wok is perfect for creating a variety of meals, from stir-fries to mussels to burgers and more. Removable temperature probe. Temperature probe easily lets you check and adjust temperature for cooking a variety of foods. Easy cleanup, non-stick, PFOA-free, scratch-resistant surface is designed for easy food release so food doesn't stick to the wok.